This is the continuation of our screening test series. These two words I have extract from Dawn editorial. Anticipation is peshbandi, prediction, and reception is dobara shuru karna. Now let's start the MCQs. Hazrat Abu Bakr radhiyallahu anhu reign is about 2 years and 3 months. Sayyid Muhammad Khan started Sayyidul Akhbar in 1837. Death of Sayyid Ahmad Khan's father, Sayyid Muhammad Muttaqi, in 1838. Sayyid Ahmad Khan appointed at Nammunchi at Agra in 1839. The most significant battle in the establishment of British supremacy in India was that of Buxar, who was the governor of Bengal from 1560 to 67 was Benistad. The first Governor General of Bengal was Warren Hastings. The Governor General of Fort William became the Governor General of India under the Charter Act of 1833. Niagara Falls is situated on the border of USA and Canada. Cavalian Dam is started on Capitano River in Canada. Montreal City in 1989. Montreal Protocol of Environmental Change held here. And International Civil Aviation headquarters is in also Montreal, and Montreal is situated in Canada. And this MCQ is many times repeated in PPSC. There is the headquarters of International Civil Aviation Authority it is Montreal, Canada. Important bay is Hudson Bay and Baffin Bay in Canada. Important strait of Canada is Hudson Strait. Maple leaf is present on the flag of Canada. And this is the once again the press of Dawn editorial. 22nd August 2022. Incarcerate Caid in prison. Contempt proceeding against Chairman PTI. On the speech of PTI Chairman in F9 Park, Islamabad High Court initiated contempt proceeding against him. The larger bench heard the case on 23rd August 2022, where he remarks against Zeba Chaudhary. She grant physical demand of Shahbaz Gill. European Commission Chairman is Ursula von der Leyen. This is the recent MCQs which I have extracted today. European Commission President is Ursula von der Leyen. And European largest nuclear power plant is Zaporozhye, located in Ukraine. And this is many in news that nuclear radiations are emitting from this nuclear power plant, and Ukraine and Russia are blaming each other during Ukraine war. Jamna Sagar is an Indian ship drawn near Gwadar. This was a very small ship, having just 10%. 9 were rescued and survived, and 1 was died. And rescue operation was conducted in the deep water of Gwadar by Pakistan Navy. Konar River is located in Manchera, KPK, also known as Monk River. Manchar Lake is the largest freshwater lake of Pakistan and located in Sindh. Shanghai Cooperation Organization formed in June 2001, and Pakistan joined in 2017, and India also joined in 2017 with Pakistan. Current Secretary General is Sohang Mang, visited Pakistan 21st to 24 July 2022. Deshbram 1 is 80 meters. It is the 11th largest peak. It is also known as Hidden Peak. Stockholm University scientists reported that on Earth there is no place where rainwater is drinkable because the level of PFAS is exceeded very largely, and PFAS is per and polyfluoroalkyl substances. Arctic amplification means, this terminology means, if the MCQ is that, what means Arctic amplification? Arctic amplification is just increase of Arctic region temperature more as 3 or 4 times other Earth than Earth. Simply that Arctic region temperature is increasing 3 or 4 times more than the other Earth. Pakistan Boxing Federation Secretary is Nasir Ijaz. And European Union envoy in Pakistan is Dr. Reena Kenki. And Dr. Reena Kenki recently met with Prime Minister of Pakistan Shahbaz Sharif, and it is that Pakistan GPS plus status in European Union will be expired in next year, and if Pakistan is willing to take it again. The book published after the death of Muhammadi Begum is the name of book is A Long Way from Hyderabad and Diary of a Young Muslim Woman. TASS is the news agency belonging to from Russia, and Rakhine State of Myanmar live Rohingya Muslim, where Rohingya Muslim lived. Matanzas, Cuba is a fuel storage port. Matanzas is a city in Cuba, and here a fuel storage was existed in city was present, and fire burst and very large losses. Nablus is a Palestinian city, and Keltia is also a Palestinian city. Polynesia are the area of island in Pacific Ocean, and Gasherbrum height is 8036 meters. It is 13th largest peak, and situated in Pakistan. Abdurrauf, this MCQ is very lengthy. Actually, Abdurrauf Azhar is the brother of Masood Azhar, and Masood Azhar is the founder of Jaish-e-Mohammed, and Jaish-e-Mohammed is the terrorist group for India. Actually, this Jaish-e-Mohammed having involved in Kashmiri Jihad, so which is troubling for India. And in Security Council, India is non-permanent member of Security Council at that time. 10th non-permanent member of Security Council, and 5 are permanent member of Security Council. The permanent member of Security Councils are China, USA, UK, France, and Russia. India put a proposal that Abdurrauf Azhar should be banned from traveling all over the world, and his assets should be freeze, because he is a brother of Masood Azhar, Jaish-e-Mohammed chief, and Jaish-e-Mohammed is involved in Kashmir Jihad, which is troubling for India. So 5 members permanent and 10 members non-permanent. 14 members were agreed for putting its ban on Masood Azhar brother Abdurrauf Azhar. But as you know, the veto power exists in Security Council. 14th members are agreed, but the vote of China will be decisive. Until now, there is no news about that under procedure matter. Rahimullah Haqqani killed in Afghanistan on 11 August 2022. He was supporter of women education. Pakistan Times newspaper established in 1947. Its founder was Mia Iftikharuddin. The author of Kitab-e-Zindagi is Kastri Begum. FBI established on 1908, and its security agency. It is security agency of USA. Pakistan first constitution in 1956. Pakistan national anthem approved in 1954. Gotthard Base Tunnel having length of 57 km located in Swiss, Italy. In Iraq, there are large demonstration and protest, and there are 2 blocks. One is Sadri block, and second is coordination framework block, and it is blamed that coordination framework block having the Iranian back. Pakistan and Turkey signed an agreement recently known as Preferential Trade Agreement for boost up the trade. Okay, now it's about continent, 7 continents. First continent is Asia, and Asia having 48 countries. African continent having 54 countries. Continent Europe have 44 countries. North America having 23 countries, and South Africa continent having 12 countries, and continent Australia having 14th country, and continent Antarctica having no country. USA is located between Pacific and Atlantic Ocean. World having 195 total countries, and 193 countries are the member of United Nations, and 2 are observer. Observer state, one is Vatican City or Holy See, where Pope Francis residence, and other is the state of Palestine. Serena Williams, US tennis star, recently announced that he is going for retirement recently from tennis. FIFA World Cup 2022 will be held in Qatar from 20th November 2022. 2022 UNSF World Junior Squash Championship will be held from 11 to 21st August in Nancy, France. UEFA Super Cup 2022 football was held in 10th August 2022 in Helsinki, Finland. Its winner was Real Madrid. General Qasem Soleimani killed on January 2020, and US was involved in his killing, and now US traces Shahram Persfi aimed to kill John Bolton for revenge of Qasem Soleimani. And John Bolton was the former advisor of US former president, and very important personality, but Iran denied that this is wrong. Annie Hitchie is the Hollywood star, died in road accident on 14th August 2022. Frances Montreux is Swiss artist. The world's longest and biggest railway tunnel, named as Gotthard Base Tunnel, is located in Switzerland. In Switzerland, Zurich is the headquarters of FIFA. FIFA Football World Cup. FIFA Football Organization. In the related to football, in the world there are 14 mountain peaks having height of more than 8,000 meters, and 5 peaks are located in Pakistan. I have told in many times that first peak in Pakistan is K2, and it is the second largest peak, and K2 height is 8611, and second Pakistan highest peak is Naga Parbat. Naga Parbat is the ninth world's highest peak, and its height is 8126 meter, and Gesher Brahm 1 is the 11th largest peak, and its height is 80 meter, and Broad Peak is 12th largest peak, and its height is 50 meter, and Gesher Brahm 2 is the 13th largest peak, and its height is 35 meter. Gesher Brahm 1 is also known as G5. Gesher Brahm 1 is known as K5 or Hidden Peak also. At the time of independence, subcontinent having 921 industrial units, while Pakistan got only 34 industrial units. SPA is the news agency of Saudi Arabia, and NDG is the environmental agency of England. Salman Rushdie is the Indian-born British-American novelist. Salman Rushdie first wrote the novel Midnight Children in the first novel in 1981, The Solonic Verse in 1988. It's second novel of Salman Rushdie. And in the Solonic Verse, Salman Rushdie writes some sentiments which were against the Muslims' feelings. And in 1989, the Supreme Leader of Iran, Ayatollah Khamenei, issued a fatwa for the killing of Salman Rushdie. He was living in the USA at that time, and he obtained protection. But on 14th August 2022, Hadi Matar attacked on him with knife, and he was serious at that time. Simon Kuznets give Kuznets curve, and Kuznets curve is used for describing ecological growth between environmental quality. Asia Cup will be started on 27 August 2022 in UAE. ICC Men T20 Cup will be held in Australia. Federal Minister for Water and Resources of Pakistan is Syed Khurshid Shah. Chairman WAPTA is Lieutenant General Sajad Ghani, and WAPTA was established in 1958. Capital of Bangladesh is Dhaka. Currency of Bangladesh is Taka. Capital of Kazakhstan is Nur Sultan. Capital of Kazakhstan is Tenji. Chengqing is the city of China. Chengqing is the city of China. And capital of Bangladesh Dhaka. Currency of Bangladesh. Capital of Bangladesh is Dhaka and currency of Bangladesh is Dhaka. Capital of Kazakhstan is Nur Sultan and currency of Kazakhstan is Tenji. Chengqing is the city of China. Valencia is the seaport of Spain. And Bordeaux is the city of France. And Bordeaux mixture is used for killing the microorganism and it contains sulfur, water and lime. Okay, it's the code word for oceans. Word is Pesa. One is P for Pacific Ocean, A for Atlantic Ocean, third is Indian Ocean, fourth is Southern Ocean and Arctic Ocean. Arshad Nadeem won the first gold medal in Asian Games by javelin throw of 90 meter. 90 meter is a record for all South Asian players. Arshad Nadeem having record of 90 meter of first being the South Asian. Commonwealth game held in Birmingham, UK. Arshad Nadeem won the second gold medal in Islamic game. The throw of Arshad Nadeem was 88 meter and Islamic game held in Turkey city named Konya. Organized pattern of belief and behavior centered at basic social need is called social institution.